makers and players of instruments. God talk about them. God big them up. They're the only trade I know that God talks about. The singers and the players, of music. So it's great that when we have our young people, once upon a time I was fretting, thinking what's going to happen to the Jamaican music when my generation dead out. Because the younger generation now go out with none. But that is not true. That is not true at all. We have our Protege, we have our Chronics, we have John 9, we have Kabaka Pyramid, we have Jesse Royal, we have a bunch of them. And a lot of producers, young upcoming producer. So this morning I want to highlight, he's well known, I love him so much, he's well known here at Suncity Radio. But he has another side to him, He's a little sneak. Because I'm there thinking, he's such a sun jock, but he has other things going for him, and I'm so proud of him, and he's doing so well. Please let me bring to you the Lovers Thursday. Oh my God, anytime him playing from the 7:30, every bar everywhere mash up. What am I talking about? No, this shottyshane. His mom calls him Orlando Chance, but we know about shottyshane. Hello, son. Welcome.
Good morning, Mama.
Yes, welcome as a guest.
Yeah, this
not
is strange,
as a sun jockey. Yes. I'm glad to see you were able to wake up, Papa.
Yes, because I'm not really a morning person. So
it's amazing. He excels as a sun jock. He's brilliant as a father. I'm saying youth, him son. Oh my God. Him Picna does so well. He's such a great father when it comes to education with his son. So he's excelling in that area. So I know in the production era he's gonna excel in it. So, Shotty, tell us about why you decided to say you're tired of being a father. Well, not really tired. You want to give the Sun Jack thing a break, so you got into production. What made you make that transition?
Well, it's not really a break, Mama, because music is always music, and I've always wanted to expand myself into music, right? So my first choice was actually being a producer.
Okay.
Yes.
Before
a disc jockey, yes. Because I fell in love with music overall. I wanted to make music, so I actually learned to play music first.
Whoa,
So yes. So you learning to play the music. I think it's much easier because when you can actually play the music, then transitioning into that part of making the music, it's a little bit easier.
But Shotty, over 10 years, me know you're fine. So, what year you take up the production?
It's 4 years actually.
4 years?
Yeah, it's going 4 years.
That's the time I fly.
4 years, November makes it 4 years.
Jesus.
Yes.
People is such a humble, quiet person. How you manage the artists them? Because you see them give a lot of problem.
Most of them.
God have mercy. They set up pressure, not true.
No, not really, because people will always be people, and then again, there are persons who will work with you, and then there are persons who won't work with you. So you just have to work with who is willing to work with you.
So, Shotty, how is the production going on? How many artists that you have so far?
That I've actually produced? Maybe over 10, maybe 15 so far.
Oh, yeah. And them carry on a billboard, no so?
Yes, last year, one of the songs was featured on an album which is called Sounds of South America, which was done by Cyclone.
Oh gosh,
and
man.
That
I
album,
roll with big people, my youth.
That album went number I think it was number 6, number 6 on the reggae Billboard charts last year.
So, son, production. What is involved in production?
Production is
what you have to do. Do you go out searching for artists? How does it work?
Well, the first thing is to create the beat. That's the very first thing. Yes.
You have to create a rhythm.
Yes, Bob. So who's gonna sing on the rhythm?
So you all create rhythm to my youth.
I'm a part of that production, yes. One of my main composers or beat builders, his name is Slim Blackups. He has been one of the persons that I've actually been working with mostly now. When I started almost 4 years ago, I started with a group called Eclipse Records. They were the first persons that I did production with, and that project featured many known artists, including IACT and RDX
Whoa.
and some other artists. Yeah, Voicemail. One of the Voicemail songs hit, I think it was 22 countries or something like that.
Wow. So, Shotty, you have to find where you said the beat.
Yes, you have to create the beat.
So once you've created the beat and you like it or you love it, then you go and send it out.
Yes, right. Send it out to the artist. Hopefully, the artist in which you choose, they want to go on the beat itself.
So it's not like going fishing. When you throw the bait, you throw the net or whatever it is, and then somebody hook onto it.
No, sometimes that happens.
Okay.
It depends, because sometimes if you release something out there and an artist hear it and they like it, you might get a call.
Okay. Then, Shotty, Carl, I know you're from a humble beginning.
Right.
How will you get money from deal with the artists, them, because them want downtown and parade and them roll with them posse and all of that? How do you, I don't reach the stage there yet. You just deal with the music and...
That's why you work with who work with you.
Okay, wonderful. So all that is great. So you don't have to worry about the monetary aspect of it. It's just to get the tune out there.
Yeah, well, you have to pay for mastering and recording sessions and stuff like that. So,
wow,
yes.
You know what? Fireway good pan the mastering,
He's one of the persons who mix my stuff as well.
And JJ Whistle chopping like a chisel. Yeah, man. Those guys are good with the mastering. But Shotty, I'm told that mastering is very expensive. So you have to pay for the mastering or the artist?
No, the producer.
You?
Yes.
Kiss me neck.
Yes,
then you couldn't tell me say they doing lot of my and give me a change. So they hook onto the beat or they like the beat.
Right.
They got in touch with you.
Right.
That's all.
Right.
And then you bring them to a studio
right.
to record.
Right.
Okay.
Or many of the artists, they have home studios or they have a studio link in which they record. So.
Oh.
Right.
So you go to their studio or when they come to yours and then
right.
you're in there listening.
Right.
If the voice, the lyrics,
what you want to hear.
Right pan the rhythm.
Right.
Wow. So tell me, Shotty, have you heard any of the artists who hook the beat sound like them not sound good pan the rhythm and you have to tell them to step?
Yes, man. Yeah.
You tell them to step?
Of course.
You never afraid?
No, ma'am, because as production, well, it's not really telling them to step in, but if you want them to do better, you just tell them, say, you need something different.
Okay. And them no vex and them no feel no way, them just go on.
No, I don't think, I think good artists know when
the music sounds
yes,
good.
They need to take correction. Right.
So after that, now you do the rhythm or you do the beat, you send it out, artists come in, it is recorded, mastered. Where does it go from there?
This is where you get into the marketing aspect, where you try to market the song.
How you do that?
Marketing is sending the song to as much DJs as you can, getting it on playlists, trying to get it out there in the world itself. All right.
So that is your job and not the job of the artist. You have to do the marketing, not them.
They help.
They help.
Yeah, most of the artists, they help, yes. And once they, if the artist even is really interested in their song, then they'll help to market it too by posting it or whatever the case is.
So when the money roll in, what part? Is it when them reach number one, or how does it go? Do you have to pay them before they record, or they get paid to how well the tune does? How does
they get paid from, well, these days it's digital. So so it's streaming from digital platforms and stuff like that. You always hear people say their songs are on digital platforms. So once it's on the platforms, if the song is doing well, it's streaming well, then they get paid from that.
So Shotty, like how you're blossoming, you're doing well as a producer, how can young people, budding people out there who feel so them can go their route there, how do they get in touch with you? Or them not call you, you will call them?
Well, I am on digital platforms too, Mom, as in social media, so they can reach out to me on social media, at Suncity. My Instagram is at shottyshane, right?
Yes.
So that's at SJ shottyshane. So people can reach out to me on Instagram as well.
So how's it going with, is it just gender based like the males them, or you have females that you have
females.
produced?
Yes, I've recorded females. Yes, I have.
Anyone we know?
Um,
Coffee and
no, not yet.
I love that. Not yet.
Not yet.
See, you have ambition, you're
Not
aim
yet.
for the sky.
Not
Not
yet.
true? Yeah,
Yes,
man.
And I'm a huge fan of coffee, so
Yeah.
that would be good.
Oh yeah, that would be good. So we'll just send it out there, let the words go out there, and she can hear and know, say she have somebody
Right.
who can give her a good production.
That is true. I will need some good production now too.
We do.
Right.
Tell me before you go, one a name of a major artist that you have. One of the artists them that you have produced.
Recently, I've produced a song with Conscience.
Feel Conscience?
Yes, Feel
Jesus,
Conscience, yes.
you think step up my youth. So
Yeah.
how's it sounding? How's it going so far?
That's one of the very new projects. I've started it not even a month yet.
Okay.
And it's been picking up. I think it gone maybe 10,000 views on YouTube right now.
But it's a pick up speed, man.
Right. So
Me no problem then, because I say you soon start playing like minibus. And what if you come to your lovers Thursday, you tell me say next week. Well, Shotty, I'm so proud of you. Continue doing what you're doing.
Thank you, Mama B.
I know you're going to continue to be a good father. Some of them not setting nothing about that. You're excellent as a son jock. I don't have no complaint. And he's one of the jocks you can call on any time. And he's willing to fill a shift.
Aww.
Yeah, man. He's very, very good at that. So I know you do well in the production. And the one like a song when me love when me can't push to no man. What happened?
No problem.
Me old, but me not cool. You must have a song that I would love.
No problem.
And push.
Yeah, man, I have reggae projects coming out too. So
Oh,
yeah.
That is nice. Cause next month a reggae month,
Yes.
So that would be nice. All right, it's 9:30. Thank you, Orlando. Shotty,
Yes,
Shotty Shane. Triple X. A triple X, no?
Yes.
Triple S. Sunjack, Shotty Shane. Triple S. So tomorrow,
Yes.
7:30.
Yes.
Okay. I won't hear that you're at the airport.
No, not tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Shotty.